Everyone, and welcome to Wondering with Wes. Here's Matt, and we're going on a mission. Yeah, boy! Maybe someone in the comments can tell me what that is. I'm not quite sure. Next little update, we've just left the canal now. So another probably 4 hours to go, I reckon.
How you feeling,
Yes.
Wes? How you feeling, yeah?
8 out of 10 at the minute, 8 out of 10. How are you, how are you?
Fucking hell, man, man's not long been sick, man. I'm
Ah.
trying to ride out that alcohol from last night.
Yeah, exactly, boys.
I'm doing good, let's ride it, man, let's go.
Yes, let's have it. Just going through Ashton Centre. Just added Greg's just the drove.
You're not getting landscape.
Going landscape because of this bell end.
Yeah.
Zoom in. Just about see the hills in the distance. That's where we were going through. Matt's just took his jacket off because he's fucking sweating like a pig.
Sweating here,
Look at
man,
his
look
face.
at that. Oh.
Another 3 hours to go, I reckon. Let's get it.
And you could just see it in the distance. Oh, here's a guy.
Here we see a wild sny peeing in the bush. A wild Matthew is relieving his bowels. I don't want to get too close because he might attack. I best back up. Welcome to Mosley. Get in, baby.
Halfway there.
Halfway there. Mist coming over the mountains. Sick. Update, we're just sat along the canal or the river at the minute. We're going to take a 10-minute break. Matt's going to change into his shorts and that, so I'm going to have a 10-minute chill, fucking let my body cool down, and our next update is when we're going up the hill. Boom. Yeah. We're about 2 hours out now.
Fucking
Pretty
hell.
much all uphill from here.
Looking a mess me, man, but
Exactly, my head's fucked as well, man. Fucking hell.
starting to feel the pain now, but
I'm at about a fucking 2 out of 10. Fucking 2, mate. I'm in the fucking bin,
He's
lads.
in
I'm
the
in the bin.
trenches.
I'm in the trenches right now. Fucking hell, man. Smashed it. Yes. It's a sheep. So close. Made it to Dovestone. Get in.
yeah, too.
Views are insane. There's the Trinnacle again, baby. Smashed it.
Can I go down?
Okay. That's where we've come from. And this is where we're going. All the way up there. Brutal scenes.
Monster. Keep getting my fucking camera. Okay. One thing I'm going to say to you now, Wes, if women are doing it, you've got to do it.
Get in. You should see Matt's head coming over the crest of that in a moment. Sick. There's Matt. There's Matt down there, struggling. This is where we're going if we can make it. Jesus. We've come from all the way through that valley down there. Fucking hell. Scenes. There he is. He's made it. Nearly fucking went over my ass. Well, nearly stacked it. Leap of faith. He's doing it. He's taking his time. Jump, pussy! Did it. It made the plunge. Scenes. That's where we've come from down there. There's Matt. We've come from all the way down there. Oh, fucking brutal. Wow. That's where we've come from. There's Matt taking a mini break. Made it! Get in! The Days Day victory dance! Get in, lads! Boo!
We need a...
You boys. Wondering with Wes.
And
I
with
wonder what this shit looks like. That's what it looks like. Oh look, there's people there. They've come from where we've come from.
Nah, they haven't.
Yeah, they have. Because we've come on that.
Yeah, but they haven't. They've come a different way because that was the start.
Yeah, yeah. Fucking sick. Boom, smashed it, boys. Oh, well in. Wow. Yeah, exactly. We've come from there. That is insane. Yes! There's the sea in the background. Jesus.
Yeah, I don't. That's sick, Wes.
Smashed it. Yes.
Yes.
Alright, let's go, bro.
It's on the way down now, bro.
Going there.
I think I'm getting bit by a fucking mosquito.
Oh shit. Yeah, we're just going. It's steep as fuck. We just met a guy called Commodia, and then he said he took a bus from Manchester, which I said what I want to do, and he said once I said we walked from Manchester, his face looked like he saw a ghost. Like he couldn't believe it because that's insane shit we do, and that's Wander River West, baby. Well, now it's Wander River West and Snide. That's where we've come up. Get in, lads. Yes. Fucking hell, it's steep. Oh, fucking hell, nearly stacked it. Fuck. Well, I nearly stacked it. Fucking go suck yourself. He said, come back up this. Oh, yeah. How about you fall down? Give me some views. Oh, yeah. Oh, what a psychopath. There's Matt. Yes. My hands are muddy because I fell over a few times and it's been a bit muddy. It's coming. Oh, look at my hair, man. Jesus. Oh, my arms. Fucking hell. Been through the walls today. 7 hours in. Oh, he's legging it. Oh, fucking hell. Jesus. It's steaming. It's steaming. That's where we've come from up there. We're still going down. Fucking hell. That's where we've come with what from all the way up there. Jesus Christ, how we've made it, I don't know. Oh, that's what fucking motherfuckers are made of, baby. Oh. Wow.